Hi.
guys. Today we're gonna make Nutella toast pies, but only using air fryer. Usually we bake, but this one is just like frying. In the
Cuba
air
saya cakap bahasa,
fryer.
okey, saya terangkan bahasa Melayu pula. Hari ni
Hari ini kita akan buat Nutella
Pie.
pie Nutella bakar
yang kita guna
yang guna
air fryer sahaja.
Air fryer.
Okey, so jom.
Selalunya kita menggunakan oven.
Okey. Tapi kali ni kita guna air fryer. So you all boleh guna air fryer juga. Jom.
Okay.
Okay, so mula-mula dia kena potong, ambil roti. Okay, you turn ni. Ambil roti. Roti macam ni, keping. And then potong the edges. Just potong je pelan-pelan
I'm doing this knife with the gigi because it's safer and easier for kids.
Okay. Hujung. Hujung je sikit. Nanti banyak roti hilang. Okay, good. Satu. Tapi pula. Okay, jari. Dua. Very good. So far so good.
Do like this.
Yeah. Tiga. Okay.
It's not that clean, that one.
Tak apa, okay. No problem. Dan empat. Okay, show them.
4 corners.
Dah tak ada dah. Okay, next. Okay, next Aisyah kena picit yang tengah. Just the middle, okay? Sebab apa? Nanti kita akan letak coklat kat tengah-tengah tu. Lagi. Tepi-tepi lagi. Bit more wider. Okay, good. So dah picit macam tu. Next, kita masukkan coklat.
Spread.
Jom.
So, sekarang kita akan letak chocolate spread dekat tengah tadi.
Banyak sikit. Sikit sangat tu. Okay. Banyak
I'm gonna
sikit.
get diabetes.
Tak payah habis diabetes. Daripada last video tu diabetes. Okay, cukup? Is that enough?
I think it's enough.
Okay, senang. Jangan buat macam tu. Dia naik kena belakang dah. Dah sikit dah tinggal. Ya Allah, ya Tuhan. Okay, dah cukup. Biar. Okay, next we do the eggs. Jom, do the eggs. Hey! Okay, break the egg. See how well you do. Kuat sikit. Alright, good job. And now take the fork. Kacau dia. Bagi dia macam scrambled eggs. And then take 1 teaspoon of milk. Okay, go. Teaspoon of milk. Cepat. Masuk.
Wait, I don't have a spoon.
Okay, just tuang sikit je. Janji tuang sikit je. Kita buat kita punya sendiri punya ni. Agak-agak, yes. Is that enough?
I think that's enough.
Okay. Kacau balik.
Oh my god, it's...
Kacau balik, cepat. Okay, so macam ni rupa dia. Okay, and dah habis kacau. To the next. Okay, so next Aisyah kena letak dekat hujung-hujung ni. Letak hujung-hujung je. Banyak sikit. Allah, kena coklat tu. Both sides Aisyah.
my
This
God.
side and this side.
It's going to the chocolate.
Ya. Sana sikit. Bagi jarak sikit lah. Cepat. Banyak sikit. Tak apa. Dia banyak pun tak apa. Okay. Tak. Tepi ni je.
No, I was going
Oh, all sides
Yeah.
Okay. All sides. Okay, baik. Banyak sikit. Tu sikit sangat. Macam tak rasa nanti. Sebab that will make it stick. That's the whole point. Okay. Dah. Cukup?
Yeah.
Okay, now fold it. Bagi dia jadi macam curry puff macam tu.
Like...
Okay, then next what you do is you use the fork. Okay, jadi bagi contoh you just picit macam ni. Okay, try. Nah. Picit je. Picit kau kuat. Tepi-tepi jangan bagi kena tengah. Lagi. Yes. The other side. No, here don't need. This side.
Okay.
Betul.
Okay.
Pusing terbalik.
Do it again.
Same thing. Okay, good. Lagi. Tepi belah sini. Okay, good. Okay, now sapu. Sapu banyak-banyak pun tak apa. Bagi dia banyak. Yeah,
Oh my
bagi
god,
dia.
the chocolate.
Nice and yellow.
The chocolate.
Yeah, it's okay. But nanti kita akan letak coklat juga atas, I think. Lagi, tambah lagi.
It's It kind of looks soggy.
Hey, it will become crisp nanti in the air fryer. Terbalik kan? Guna dia garpu. Ha.
Carpool.
Garpu.
It's like carpool.
Right. And then air fryer kena letak apa? 180 tadi
180 for 5 minutes.
185 minutes.
Get it nice.
Okay. Is that ready? Is that ready to go in the air fryer?
Yes.
Okay, one done. Jom air fryer pula. Okay, masukkan. Ini first one. Kita test dulu Aisyah. Apa-apa kita test dulu 5 minutes. Okay, ni angkat. Masuk dalam ni.
Tip.
Okay.
Okay.
Apa dia? 180 ya tadi?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you some tip. So, if you don't want the Nutella pie, to stick on the air fryer, put like a spray or parchment paper.
Okay. 5 minutes. Dah. Okay, tekan on. Okay, dah. So, we wait 5 minutes. Kita tunggu result dia. Okay, so sementara tunggu 5 minit, we make it some more, right?
Yeah.
We make some more sementara tunggu 5 minutes. Tapi, kalau you guys want to see the next video, the result video, what do you have to do, Aisyah?
Like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe, follow lah. Like, follow, share. Kita nak share. Video ni hit 4 million, baru kita tunjuk
4
part 2.
million.
Okay? Okay? Bila hit 4 million views, kita tunjuk part 2. So,
What about-
pastikan you all like, share, comment. You all rasa jadi tak jadi. Buat apa Aisyah?
What about it hit 6.7 million?
If it hit 6.7 million, we make another video. Lagi letup. Okay?
Yes.
So, next video, pastikan 4 million Bye.
6.7 million. Okay, so the other one
Siap
is
dah.
done.
Dalam tu dah siap. And then we made 6 more. So, this is just bonus footage for you all for the next video. Tunggulah. Kita nak bagi dia orang semua makan rasa.
It looks a bit weird right now, but trust the process. It will
Trust
be
the
good.
process. Next video coming soon.